Righto bikers, excuse the cold sore, -17 in Sweden will do that. Right, today is an interesting day. I've decided to put some bash plates, crash plates, whatever you call them, on my bike because of the lack of BMW crash bars. They are pretty cool. They look like this. Now, a friend of ours fell over the other day, dropped the bike. She had these on. She only damaged the bash plate and this here. This is 40 quid. This is 260 quid. So, pretty good really. So I'm going to show you how to put them on now. Worth having. Pick them up at Barnstormer in Maidenhead. Ring parts. I'll just ask to speak to Niall. They've got loads in stock. They'll even ship them out for you. Okay, microphone on. Test, test, test. Okay guys, this is BMW GS. Don't do what I just did, slip with the Stanley blade. It's a bit stupid. These are BMW crash bars, bash plates, whatever you want to call them. What do they call them? They say something in German, which I don't understand. So, let's see what you get in the box for £260. Here we go, £260 coming out of the bag. Whoa. That is gorgeous. Do you know what's really cool about it? It's got a rubber back which is going to stop any damage to the cylinder. You might get a bit of damage on this, but it'll stop it. And it will look bloody cool. And obviously you get two, one for each side. Here's the other one. There's the pack of bolts. So let's figure out how to fit these babies. Look at the engineering that's gone into that for £260. Love it. Okay, let's fit. You know what pisses me off? You get out to your garage, you break everything out, you go to fit, and it says the workshop installation instructions are available for full download ASAP. Web portal, further information. Fuck that. Okie dokie. These are really easy to fit. That's the plate. That goes on there like that. You have to remove the stud from the exhaust, that nut and that nut. They are tricky to get on, so be patient. There's a rubber section on here which compresses against there and it's quite tight. So watch for a second. Take this out. No oil will come out of there, okay? Don't panic. This comes with it. As you can see, it's got a head on it, so it can take a screw. Pop that in. Make sure you line this up absolutely perfectly. If you don't, I know I go on about it, but you screw that aluminium thread up on there inside, you're going to be pretty hacked off. Now there is a quick way of doing it. Well, that's probably not the approved way. Nip it up like that. Pop that out. And this is to be done up to 10 newtons. Now I will torque that up later. Okay, I've taken the stud off the bottom. Get the bash plate. I bloody well lost something, haven't I? No, it's in there. Okay, this tiny little pops in there like that. Okay. Pop in this section on the stud first. You must do that. Then this section on the right, pop it over. Be careful not to catch that on there. I've done it, it scratches. Okay. Then get a shoulderless screw in here. Again, put it in by hand. Make sure you've got the stud on there, and this is really tricky to line up. Okay, really tricky. Now, I don't care what they say at BMW, it's bloody hard. So, my solution was being a builder is compress it with a clamp and get the screw in. Okay, and then I'm just using this, I'm not torquing it with these, and then underneath the stud, pop the clamp off. Now that may not be the approved way, and I went into BMW yesterday and they showed me how to fit them. Really nice guy, but he struggled with it, and to me, why struggle? If you've got a padded clamp, use it and they'll fall on. Screw number one, that's the troublesome one. There's the stud underneath. That one. And there's the other one. Pretty easy, worth having. Ask Maria. Only joking, Maria. And they actually look okay.